Assalamu alaikum. I am Luqman Qaida and this is Shaykhi Academy. In today's episode, inshallah, we will discuss an important group of letters. They are called al-huruf al-shajariyah, which are Jim, Sheen, and Ya. We will know their point of articulation and what is the difference between them. So, stay tuned.
Shaykhi Academy.
This is just to remind you that we are explaining using Al-Minhaj book, the official book of Shaykhi Academy. So now we will discuss these three letters: Jim, Sheen, and Ya. Okay, we can call these three letters, we can call them a group or a cluster. Why? Because these three letters have the same point of articulation, which is the middle of the tongue touches the roof of the mouth. Okay, so let's discuss this in detail. As we said before, we can divide the tongue into three main parts. Okay, the head part, which is nearest to the mouth, and the back part, which is nearest to the chest, and the middle part of the tongue. Our discussion today, we will use this part, the middle part of the tongue. So the middle part of the tongue with the roof of the mouth. The roof of the mouth is what lies opposite to the middle of the tongue. Okay, so specifically we use this part, the middle part of the tongue, and this part, what lies opposite, the roof of the mouth. Okay, so when the middle part of the tongue comes to or goes against the roof of the mouth, one of three sounds might be pronounced. When the middle part of the tongue comes against the roof of the mouth, what lies opposite, one of three sounds might be pronounced, whether Jim, okay, Sheen, or Ya. Okay, so when a Jim is pronounced, and when a Sheen is pronounced, and when a Ya is pronounced. So let's discover this. If the middle part of the tongue go against the roof of the mouth and touches it, the middle of the bar touches the roof of the mouth, okay, now the letter Jim is pronounced. 𝐻. I mean here the middle part of the tongue, okay, will meet the roof of the mouth completely. 𝐻. Now they meet the middle part of the tongue with the roof of the mouth. Okay, 𝐻. So this is how the middle part of the tongue with the roof of the mouth will produce the letter Jim. But how the middle part of the tongue with the roof of the mouth will produce letter Sheen? The middle part of the tongue will go against the roof of the mouth, okay, but they will not meet completely, okay, which means it will be a space between the middle part of the tongue and the roof of the mouth. 𝐻. Okay, they aren't meet completely. 𝐻. But if they meet completely, 𝐻. Letter Jim will be pronounced. Not meeting completely, 𝐻. Letter Sheen will be pronounced. Okay, let's now discover the letter Ya. Letter Ya, how the middle part of the tongue with the roof of the mouth will produce letter Ya. The middle part of the tongue will go against the roof of the mouth, but they will not meet completely also. So if the letter Ya and the letter Sheen, both of them, the back of the tongue, the middle part of the tongue will go against the roof of the mouth, but they will not meet completely. So they will not meet completely. So what is the difference between them? The difference between them is the space between the middle part of the tongue and the roof of the mouth with letter Ya is bigger than the space between the middle part of the tongue with the roof of the mouth when we pronounce letter Shīn. Okay, so they will not meet completely also as letter Shīn, but the space is bigger. So again, 𝐻, the middle part of the tongue touches the roof of the mouth completely. If they do not meet completely, we move to the next letter, which is sh. They aren't meet completely. The third letter, ya, so the space here between the middle part of the tongue and the roof of the mouth is bigger than the same space with the letter Shīn, and we mean here by this ya is the normal ya, not a mad letter. So these are the three letters that have the same point of articulation, and this is the difference between them. So now we came to the end of this episode. If you didn't get it yet, or if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section below. And we came to the end of this episode. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. Now we came to the end of this episode. So if you want to follow up the next episodes, consider subscribing. Also, if you want a qualified Quran tutor, whether for yourself or your kids, we are providing online Quran classes. Don't forget to check out our app. See you inshallah in the next episode. Assalamu alaikum.
Shaykhi Academy. Learn and enjoy.